Unlock your voice and build a direct connection with your audience by launching your own Substack publication with this comprehensive, step-by-step tutorial. First things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to Substack.com and click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and sign up. It's a straightforward process designed to get you rolling quickly. Now, the exciting part, naming your publication. Think about what makes your content unique. Your publication name should be memorable, relevant to your niche, and easy to spell. Substack will then suggest a unique URL for your publication based on your chosen name. Once your publication is created, let's talk aesthetics. Navigate to your publication settings and find the design section here. You can upload a logo or header image that visually represents your brand. You can also customize your color scheme and font choices to create a look and feel that's truly yours. Next, we'll set up your subscription model. Substack offers fantastic flexibility. You can choose to have a free publication, offer paid subscriptions, or even a combination of both with different tiers. Consider what value you're offering to your readers and price it accordingly. This is where you define the heart of your community's support. With your publication set up, it's time to create your very first post. Click on the New Post button. This brings you to Substack's intuitive editor. You can write your introduction, add visuals like images or videos, and format your text to make it engaging. Don't overthink it. Your first post is about making your presence known. Once your post is ready, hit publish. You can then share your publication link across your social media, and with your network, you've just successfully launched your Substack publication, empowering you to share your voice and build a thriving community around your passions. Congratulations!